Every time you eat, something incredible happens inside your body, without you even noticing. That sandwich, fruit, or snack you just swallowed is about to go on a long and complex journey. But where does it go? How does your body turn food into energy? Let's break it down step by step. Digestion actually begins in your mouth. Your teeth break food into smaller pieces, making it easier to process. At the same time, saliva mixes with the food. Saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates almost immediately. By the time you swallow, digestion is already underway. Once you swallow, food enters the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. Here, wave-like muscle movements called peristalsis push the food downward. Gravity helps, but even upside down, these muscles still do the job. Next stop, the stomach. Inside, powerful acids and enzymes break food down even further. The stomach churns and mixes everything into a thick, soupy substance called chyme. Protein digestion happens mainly here, and harmful bacteria are destroyed by stomach acid. The small intestine is where most of the magic happens. Although it's called small, it's actually very long, over 6 meters. Here, enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver help break fats, proteins, and carbohydrates into tiny molecules. These nutrients pass through the intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream, where they're delivered to your cells for energy, growth, and repair. Whatever your body can't digest moves into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed back into the body, helping maintain hydration. Helpful gut bacteria also break down leftover material and produce beneficial compounds. Finally, waste leaves the body, but the useful parts of your food are already hard at work. From fueling your brain to powering your muscles, digestion keeps you alive and energized every day, all from one simple bite of food. So the next time you eat, remember, your body is running a highly efficient system behind the scenes. If you're curious about how your body works, stick around for more simple explanations of complex ideas.